In a shocking turn of events, Indian national Nimisha Priya has been handed a death sentence in Yemen after allegedly being convicted of killing her Yemeni business partner. Nimisha, a trained nurse, had been working in private hospitals in Yemen for several years before the incident. The Ministry of External Affairs confirmed on Tuesday that it is fully aware of the death sentence and has assured that the Indian government is providing all possible assistance in this matter. However, the circumstances surrounding the case have taken a dramatic twist with new revelations shedding light on a tale of manipulation, harassment and torture. According to the reports, Nimisha's mother has come forward with a different version of events, revealing the turmoil her daughter endured in Yemen. In 2014, Nimisha's family, including her husband and minor daughter, had to return to India due to financial difficulties. That same year, Yemen was plunged into civil war, which led to a halt in the issuance of new visas. Nimisha, however, remained in Yemen and in 2015 partnered with a man named Mehdi to establish her own clinic in Yemen's capital, Sana'a. In a surprising twist, Mehdi, who initially helped Nimisha set up the clinic, accompanied her to Kerala for a month-long holiday that same year. During this visit, Mehdi allegedly stole a wedding photograph of Nimisha and later manipulated it to claim that he was married to her. According to Nimisha's mother, Mehdi began exploiting Nimisha both professionally and personally. He forged documents to gain control of her clinic while claiming to be her husband. Mehdi allegedly began taking money from clinic's earnings under the pretense of a spousal relationship. The abuse soon escalated, with Nimisha reporting that Mehdi had been harassing her for years. The reports further state that Mehdi seized her passport, ensuring she could not leave Yemen. He allegedly subjected her to physical and emotional torture, often under the influence of drugs, and threatened her at gunpoint on multiple occasions. Despite these grave circumstances, when Nimisha sought help from the police in Sana'a, they arrested her instead of taking action against Mehdi. She was reportedly held in jail for 6 days, and upon her release, the torture intensified. In July 2017, a warden from a nearby prison offered Nimisha a way out. The warden suggested that she try to sedate Mehdi and convince him to return her passport. Despite her efforts, Mehdi's drug use seemed to neutralize the sedative. Determined to regain her freedom, Nimisha reportedly tried a stronger sedative, which tragically led to Mehdi's death from a drug overdose within minutes. Now facing a death sentence in Yemen for his death, Nimisha's case has drawn attention to the harsh realities of her life in Yemen. The Indian government is actively assisting her, but the tragic circumstances surrounding her conviction have raised questions about the events that led to the killing and the abuse Nimisha allegedly suffered.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.